Welcome everyone, this is Alex for the Coaster Spot, and today we have breaking news out of Hershey, PA. But first, I'd appreciate it if you could like this video and subscribe to the channel down below. 2 weeks ago, we did a video telling you about everything that was going on with the Wildcat at Hersheypark. This coaster was, of course, built in 1996 by Great Coasters International, and it will close on July 31st. So you have about 3 weeks to get your final rides in. It will be closing forever on that day. Not much more speculation we need to do. We already have done that in that video. You can check it out at the end of the video, down below in the description, or up on the upper right corner by hitting that little button that's popping up now. But one little thing we need to talk about is that Hersheypark posted this on all their social media, and one of the first persons to reply on multiple social media channels was Rocky Mountain Construction. The Hersheypark jokingly asked, what do we do with 3,100 feet of track? Rocky Mountain Construction replied saying they've got ideas. So whether this is them just playing around or if this is basically a confirmation, I'll let you decide for yourselves. But also check out that video. So that's all we really have to say right now. Get out there, get your last rides in, and stay tuned to the channel. You definitely want to hit that notification bell for when videos come out, because we will be there from the first cut of that wood track coming out up until opening day of whatever it is next year, and hopefully it's next year. Thanks again for watching. This has been Alex. Like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you hopefully very soon.